In this video, I will show you two simple ways that you can solve this processor problem in Photoshop. So the first one, right click on your desktop and then move on to the display settings. And then from there, scroll down to graphic settings. And then inside your graphic settings, click on browse. And then from the browse, click on local disk here and then program files. And from the program files to Adobe, and then you double click on your Photoshop. In my case, Photoshop 2022. Double click on the Photoshop. Now your Photoshop has been added to the graphic settings, but you are not done yet. Proceed by clicking on the options here and then select high performance and then save it and restart your Photoshop. The second step for solving this particular issue is go to your local disk and then to program files. From program files, Adobe Photoshop 2022, and then scroll down till you see sniffer. When you see sniffer, right click on it and then run as administrator, and after that it must work for you. If this video was helpful, give it a like and then let me know your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more. If you want to learn how to use fonts without installing, click this video on the screen. Until next time guys, quench not your creativity. Peace.